All right, hey guys, here we are, hole number 2. Now, one of the things that I'll typically do for this one is try to size it up. You know, I might typically play this Bigfoot 8, maybe 1.6-ish per ring up here, 1.8-ish down here, somewhere in the ballpark of that. So with that in mind, we're going to get set up here, and you also see that I'm using a lot of that backspin. We're going to try to get bounces 2 and 3 pretty tidy on the cup here for this hole. So you'll see what I'm doing with my ring adjustment here, and you know, putting that ring, kind of checking out that ball guide with the side view, stuff like that. So what I'm thinking here, somewhere in the ballpark of 1.7 something. Sometimes I play with a calculator. So for instance, if I was to go to an on-screen calculator, I could throw in that ring adjustment. So it's 8.9 and then divide by, you know, I'm thinking somewhere in this ballpark. So 5.1-ish rings, 5.0, somewhere in there. I know it's going to be very close. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in and I'll just try to pull to a specific, you know, piece of grass that I can just see. And that's the easiest way without a grid to be able to find your ring adjustments, is just looking at the actual grass specs to help you with the number. Now, you know, whether or not I make or miss this is really dependent upon how well my ring adjustment is more than anything. So you can see I'm right on line, 890, it just stopped short. So I needed to just move my target up just a little bit more on that start. But you can see that we can get very precise with these ring adjustments, regardless if we have, you know, an overlay. So that's just one of the, you know, things that I just want to kind of clear up, because there's so much discussion about that, you know, as being the reason why scores are getting better. And it's really, there's no truth to it. The big reason why scores are getting better for the tournament is because guys are just learning more and more about the game. They're understanding how much certain pins are going to bounce forward, and they're trying to anticipate that. And the guys that are actually studying the game and trying to get better with their shot making, they're getting better and they're starting to get more precise. So it's only a matter of time until one, two, three of these drop when we know this much about the adjustments. So keep that in mind. Good luck with that second hole. I will see you guys on 3 momentarily.